Are we?
Just wanted to.
Wait. We're not usually like.
No. Welcome to Highway 30.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. I don't think you can see the sign behind us. Okay. Get away. No. All right.
Okay. All right. I just love you. That's all.
I know. I love you too. Getting the sillies out.
Okay. Ready? That was a whole like cash.
Yeah.
Cash.
Just relax.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
Yes, today we have box 508. That's 508.
Yes, Mother's Day is coming up, and what better thing to do for Mother's Day than to make her something special.
Right. But if your mom is crafty, this is craft box.
Now, our craft today is a little upgrade from the construction paper card
It is,
or construction paper flowers
admittedly.
or something fun like that.
Any of those are bad.
Oh, no.
These are better.
Yeah. We're going to take these lovely succulents that we have,
They're precious.
yes.
I love them. They're
so
awesome.
They're awesome.
And a little recycling here.
Wee.
We're going to use the wee jars.
Yeah.
And we have so graciously taken care of the yogurt out of the jar.
This was the hardest part, and we're taking care of that for you. So I know we
Absolutely.
usually show you how we prep. And a lot of hard work goes into putting those boxes
Yeah.
together, and this is no exception.
No, getting the yogurt gone from the top to the bottom.
Right, and then
It takes a few minutes.
I mean, you gotta eat it,
know.
and then it's delicious, and then you're gonna want more, but then you've gotta sanitize it, and then you've gotta get the label off.
And the label off is actually,
Yeah.
we're going to take care of that one for you too. So we got inspiration from the Wii website for this craft. And I think you're really going to enjoy it. I think Mom's going to love it. Let's get started.
Let's go. Fetch. Okay. Lasso twine. Perfect. Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome.
Is that one on?
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. Okay. Step one. I can't not do that.
Okay.
All right. So first we're going to cut this into
Lengths.
how many pieces? Yes. Thinking. Well, four pieces. All right, so matching two ends
so
up.
the best way, yes. Just match them up.
Follow it down.
Get out of my string.
Yeah, let's do it. And then match them all together. And flip around. And then I'm just gonna tie it in a knot. And before you get it too tight, you can just decide how long you want your little loop. Probably, so your knot should maybe be about 2 inches. All right, we're gonna break this down for you a little bit more with the colors. I'm just using 4 strands, but now I've got a green, white, blue, and brown, just to make it a little bit clearer. All right, so we're gonna make this knot about 2 inches down from the top. Then I'm gonna lay out the cord, and I'll separate the colors here so you can see we're just gonna do them in groups of 2. Okay, it's worth saying that when you're first gathering your pieces into 2 rows, kind of look at your knot at the top, and your first 2 rows that you're gonna knot, you want those to be next to each other in your knot. So that way it won't look twisted in the end. It might be helpful if you take some tape your end down, just to keep it from moving around on you. For the first step, you're going to do 1 knot on each of these lines. So you're going to knot 2 of the ropes together, about 9 inches from the bottom of the knot. So your first set of knots is complete. Now you're going to take 1 side of your first row, so my green, and you are going to knot it to 1 side of the second row, which is white for me. And I'm going to do about 2 inches for this next knot. Moving to the next row, I'm going to take 1 side of my white, the other side of the white, and knot it to the blue. And for the last row, you're going to take 1 side of the blue and tie it to the brown. For the very last knot, you want to connect these 2 sides. Take your leftover from your brown, and then you're going to bring it over to the green, or your first row. Tie those 2 together. So now you can see how these are connected. Last step, just going to go about 2 more inches and tie all of the ropes together in another big knot.
Need another hand.
I guess we could have
Don't you?
taped it down.
At this point, I'm just using my other ones for reference because,
It's easier.
yeah, and I mean, you might not be right on the ruler. It's just a good way to gauge.
It is macrame.
Well, it's not like we did before, but
Yeah. Oh, here, hold the top of mine. Kind of see how it works. Ta-da! And now for the last knot at the bottom.
let's not.
Good luck. May the force be with you. This is the hard part.
Right? Yay!
Artfully put your rocks in. Thoughtfully put your rocks in. Kind of wants to twist up on itself.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
Super cute. Oh, wee wee.
Cute.
Wee wee.
Oh, that looks great.
Mm-hmm.
Here, you hold yours.
Super cute. We worked really hard on growing these succulents.
Yes.
They'll stay green forever. We're doing the craft.
And
Craft is done.
it's done.
Okay. No. Wee wee.
How cute are these? I think
I'm in love.
Mom's gonna love this.
Yes.
Either she's going to love that you made it for her, or she's gonna really enjoy putting this one together.
It was actually not a little bit of coordination.
I think we dipped into macrame again, which was a little interesting.
Hold on. Feelings gone now.
This is more of your level 1 macrame, I think.
I agree.
It was not that
Yes.
hard, but it's very impressive.
It is.
Actually, since the mom here did the crafting, I think I'm gonna go hang this in my daughter's room.
So she gets a present for your day.
No, the present was I got to craft.
Okay.
And then I'll make another one for me.
Love it. We're
All right.
happy.
Cheers.
Wee wee. So we hope you enjoyed crafting with us today, and we'll see you next time.
Till next time.
Don't use that one.
Or wait, we can sip.
What are you doing? Oh.
Achoo. Okay.
Something about that has to be funny.
Right.